I used to find empty corpses of the finches. I was really helpless. At last, conclusively, it came precipitated that the only solution is to fix steel net at the front face of the terrace so that beast aliens could be stopped. So was done. It took more than 10 days for finches to feel confidence and peace. After that, I noticed one female finch who was attempted to kill for eat, and resultantly lost full capability to fly due to cause damaged one wing, laid 4 eggs in mud nest.